Business groups say the cut is a welcome boost to confidence, but a lot depends on whether the major lenders will pass on all of it to their customers. Here's finance correspondent Philip Lasker.
It's not necessarily a snapshot of the whole economy. People are buying cameras, if not much else. Still, you don't knock a rate cut, especially if you're running a business.
I think it's positive for us. It's a tangible thing that consumers know they've got money back in their hand, and normally that stimulates activity in our stores.
It was a positive thing for the struggling housing industry as well, which says the RBA made exactly the right call.
You have to remember that if you had another 50 basis point cut on top of the last 50 basis point cut, you might spook the horses.
Manufacturers are disappointed the welcome rate relief didn't push the Australian dollar lower, but they say the global gloom suggests there's more work to be done.
There certainly was room for further cuts this month, and they've made those cuts, and there is room for further cuts in the future. And I think it's important that the bank keep its eye open on the need for future cuts.
And there are those like the Chamber of Commerce and Industry's Greg Evans who are keeping an eye on what the major lenders do with the interest rate cuts.
This is for borrowers, it's not for you.
The Bank of Queensland has already kept some for itself, passing on 20 of the 25 basis points to borrowers. But banks have been cutting deposit rates by the full amount.
So it's likely that we'll see that trend again, with depositors having to wear the full cut in official interest rates.
It's not a move that's likely to trigger many complaints from Canberra. Philip Lasker, ABC News.